Hello everyone, welcome to this my channel Civil Engineering Universe. If you like my videos, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. So today I am going to tell you about building materials tips which you can quick revise during the exam or interview session. So first of all I am going to tell you about building materials. So its main component is rock minerals, and now you have to remember which are the rock minerals like quartz, mica, gypsum, dolomite, amphibole, calcite, feldspar, etc. Similarly, after knowing these all materials, you have to know the different hardness of stone based on Mohs scale. So basically there are 10 minerals and their hardness, and which are the so first one is talc. So how you can know it is talc? Then you have to scratch it. It is easily scratchable by the fingernails. Second is gypsum. Third is calcite. Fourth is fluorite. Fifth is apatite. Sixth is feldspar. Seventh is quartz. Eighth is topaz. Ninth is corundum. And tenth is diamond. So these are the hardness range and they are serially. So it is very important question for rock mass structure. So and it is very useful for geology as well as civil engineering. Now what are the different properties of minerals? So there are basically four properties that you have to know. First is cleavage, second is streak, and third is luster, and fourth is texture. So by this way you can find out the different minerals properties. So cleavage, what is cleavage? So cleavage is nothing but measurement of the capability of some minerals to split along certain plane parallel to the crystal faces. So this in this way you can find out cleavage. Now streak means what? It's color of the minerals in powder form, how it looks when it is touched. Next is luster. Luster means what? It means shining, how it shines. Next is texture. So texture means nothing but it is defined as shape, arrangement, distribution, and coarseness of grains or minerals. So in this way you can find out the texture. Now there are now I am going to tell you about the different classifications of minerals. So basically there are, first of all we have based on geological, we have igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. So these are the rock classification based on geological classification. So igneous rocks like basalt, trap, dolomite, granite, syenite, gabbro, etc. Similarly for sedimentary rocks like sandstone, limestone, laterite, dolomite, gypsum, shale, chalk, magnesia, magnesite, etc. Next one is metamorphic. Metamorphic rock like gneiss, quartz, marble, slate, schist, etc. Similarly, based on igneous rocks are further classified into two groups, that are extrusive, that means volcanic, effusive, and other is intrusive. So extrusive like basalt, trap, pumice, etc. In the same way, intrusive rock are further classified into two groups, that are plutonic and hyperbasal. So plutonic rock like deep depth, coarse grained, etc. And its example are granite, syenite. Similarly hyperbasal, it has shallow depth and it is fine grained. Dolomite, diorite, etc. And its physical classification is unstratified rocks and stratified rocks. Unstratified rocks means they are like granite, basalt, trap, diorite, dolomite, syenite, gabbro, etc. and stratified rocks like limestone, sandstone, shale, gypsum, laterite, etc. And so further you can know that physical classification, there are three physical classifications of rocks. One is stratified, unstratified, and foliated. Foliated means all stratified rocks except marble and quartz. Finally, chemical classification: siliceous rock and calcareous rock, siliceous, calcareous, and argillaceous rocks. So these are the rocks that you can know. So in this video, so chemical classifications are done. Now on the basis of percentage of silica available in rock, there are two, based on percentage of silica there are two classification: acidic rock and basic rock. Acid rock means its silica percentage is greater than 60%, but basic rock means its silica percentage less than 60%. Like granite, syenite, rhyolite, andesite, etc. are acidic rocks. Similarly, basic rock like basalt, gabbro, dolomite, etc. Similarly, classification of rocks on the basis of mineral available. So monomineralic acid means composed of only one minerals like quartz, marble, gypsum. Similarly, polymineralic rocks means composed of many minerals like granite, trap, basalt, sandstone, shale, etc. Similarly, there are different metamorphic rocks which are formed after different chemical processes and different other process like granite. So original rock is granite, its metamorphic form is gneiss. Similarly, syenite, its also metamorphic form is gneiss. Similarly, sandstone, its metamorphic form is quartzite. Similarly, limestone, its metamorphic form is marble. So these are the different knowledge and tips which you can quick revise for the any interview related to building materials, about the rock mass and different its classification, what are its classifications based on geological and different physical chemicals and different percentage of silica amount. So these are the minerals you can know, and if you watch my video you can get clear concept and different knowledge about building materials, rock minerals. So this is useful for both geology study students as well as civil engineering student. And this, please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.